you. But the thing is, which you will recognize is, मुझे सिंथेटिक कपड़ों में घबराहट होती है, मुझे कॉटन अच्छा लगता है, ये तो हम सब फील करते हैं. I feel nicer in shirts that don't wrinkle. Sounds familiar? So this is what you have to pick up. This is what you have to accept. That what kind of clothes suits my personality. Every texture, every textile has its own personality and doesn't match with yours. And this is where our key ingredient of my team, or you can say my key ingredient, comes in place. The happy smiley. A while back was asking me what I'm going to talk about, and I said personal branding, and immediately he said, don't you think this is not important, but what is important is कि हम लोगों के लिए कुछ करें. And this is where you will find the connect. I want to help people build their personal brands, identify their personal brands, and that is why यहाँ मैं खड़े होके इतना freely knowledge share कर सकती हूँ. आप अभी इस point पे मुझसे जो भी पूछेंगे, I'm ready to share with you, because I want to create an awareness. It's not about earning money, it's about creating awareness. It's such a new field that it's very important to create awareness. And my point is, when you are in sync with yourself, when you are happy with the personality you are projecting, जिस दिन आपको ये शिकायत नहीं रहेगी कि लोग मुझे समझते नहीं हैं, don't you think you will be a happier person? Don't you think most of the relationship problems crop up from that? Boss, employee, relationships, everywhere. And when you are in sync with yourself, when you identify yourself, that is when the real happiness comes in. Another point that I want to make about happiness here is, how many of you are happy and how many of you are conditionally happy? It's a very common sentence. अगर मुझे BMW मिल जाए तो wow. I have a Samsung Note 4 or whatever the latest version is. अगर मुझे iPhone S6 मिल जाए तो wow. Conditional happiness.
This is physical happiness. It is not eternal happiness.
It is not. That is why I am putting the word conditional. आपने अपनी happiness को बांध दिया. तो जब वो iPhone मिला, थोड़ी देर के लिए you are like, whoa, wow, मिल गया. And then what? You are looking for another condition to give you happiness. And you know why you are trying to look for happiness in these products? Because you have forgotten the most important product that God has blessed us with. And I may sound philosophical at this point, but it's our own selves. We have stopped taking pride in ourselves. We have stopped giving time to ourselves. 4 लोग बैठे होते हैं, 3 मोबाइल पे होते हैं. मैं यहाँ बात कर रही होती हूँ, वहाँ आप मोबाइल चेक कर रहे होते हैं. We have lost ourselves in the gadget world. We have lost ourselves, lost interest in our own selves. Happiness तो जाएगी ही ना. और फिर हम पहुँच जाते हैं वहाँ मॉर्निंग क्लब्स में, लाफ्टर क्लब्स में, हा 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 हा. कहाँ पहुँच गए हम लोग कि हमें जबरदस्ती हंसना पड़ता है? Where are those days? वो हम तो भोपाल में रहते हैं. भोपाली पटिए कहाँ गए जहाँ 4 दोस्त मिलके ऐसे हंसते थे कि कोई नहीं रोक पाता था. We have lost those times in the gadgets and in firefighting. Inner can only come from substance, and this is one important point that I want to make, and then we try to wrap this up quickly. अगर आपको लगता है कि पर्सनल ब्रांड आप एक अच्छे कपड़े पहन के कुछ अच्छा करके एकदम से 2-4 आर्टिकल अपने बारे में न्यूज़पेपर में छपवा के बना लेंगे, तो यू आर रॉन्ग. टुडे ब्रांडिंग, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग. ब्रांडिंग इज अबाउट इमोशंस, एक्सपीरियंस एंड स्टोरीज. आपने आजकल के ऐड देखे हैं, इट्स ऑल stories, पूरी कहानी होती है. Why? Because it connects with human emotions. लोगों को देख के लगता है अरे ये तो मेरी कहानी है. तो जब एक प्रोडक्ट, एक मेटल का, प्लास्टिक का प्रोडक्ट कहानी ढूंढ रहा है, इमोशंस ढूंढ रहा है कनेक्ट होने के लिए कस्टमर्स से, तो हम पर्सनल ब्रांड कैसे बना सकते हैं ऑन शैलो थिंग्स? That is why we have to start from the inner approach. We have to identify what is good and what is bad in me. We have to have the courage to acknowledge that. Then you move to the online world and start with your website, your social media profiles. What is your engagement? Social media profile बना के छोड़ देना is not enough. Also for companies. I recently approached a couple of companies in Bhopal, not because I wanted an assignment, but because I looked at their social media profiles and there was nothing and I saw potential in them. आपने अपना पेज बना दिया फेसबुक पे और उसमें एक महीने तक कोई इंटरेक्शन नहीं है, कोई अपडेट नहीं है, it's useless and it's free. हम पैसों की बात कर रहे थे ना थोड़ी देर पहले कि पैसे नहीं है. It's free and how many of you are using it? Even companies like McDonald's and Costa Coffee and Starbucks and all the Vodafone, everyone is connecting with their customers on Twitter. How many of you are doing that? नहीं, जब हम Vodafone बन जाएंगे तब हम Twitter पे कनेक्ट करेंगे. अभी तो हमारा कस्टमर बेस ही इतना नहीं है. आप अपना ट्विटर हैंडल अपने ऐड में डाल के तो देखिए कितना रिस्पॉन्स आता है. But then you have to be active on it. And it's, what is it going to cost you? Nothing. The human touch, the relationships. This is one important part of personal branding or branding that we often miss on. यहाँ हम लोग क्यों आए? Do you know one basic motive of such meets? Networking, relationship. Apart from knowing about companies and products and knowledge sharing, one great USP of such meets is networking. वैसे आप एक साथ एक दिन में इतने लोगों से मिल पाएंगे? कभी नहीं. But today, during the networking meet time, you can get in touch with all these people and you can build your rapport. But you know what? Only 10% of you will be able to fully utilize that. क्योंकि बाकी 90% या तो ये वेट करते रहेंगे कि दूसरा आके मुझसे बात करे, या फिर उनको समझ में ही नहीं आएगा कि राइट अप्रोच क्या है दूसरे से बात करने की. क्योंकि हमारे दिमाग में सिर्फ हमारा प्रोडक्ट है, हमारे दिमाग में पॉजिटिव रिलेशनशिप बिल्डिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. सो व्हेन यू कम फॉर मीटिंग्स लाइक दिस, personal branding becomes very important. Either you should have a personality that strong that people are attracted to you and they want to come and approach you and know what you do, or you should have such a friendly, great, outgoing personal brand that you are able to go out and talk to people and build relationships. Either way, जो भी आपका अपना personality type है, you have to build on it so that you can really benefit from meets like this, other than just coming here and listening to me going blah 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 blah. And then last is your outer. It can be stretched on and on and on and on, but I will give you one simple example. जब आप खाना खाते हैं, खाना हम सब खाते हैं, बेसिक नेसेसिटी है. कई बार ऐसा नहीं होता कि खाने की डिश सामने लाके रखी और भूखी मर जाती है, because it just does not look appealing. मैं आपके सामने एक सैलड की प्लेट लाके रखूं जिसमें ऐसे लटकी लटकाई सी सब्जियां पड़ी हुई है, और एक सैलड की डिश रखूं जो बहुत अच्छे से गार्निश्ड है, फ्रेश लेटस लीव्स हैं, कैरेट्स हैं, कुकुम्बर्स हैं, it's all good colors. Which one would you want? Definitely the second one. That is the power of visuals and that is the power of your outer appearance. And this is our key ingredient. until and unless you smile. Only people like me can go on talking and talking and talking and not stammer. क्योंकि आप लोगों के faces देख के, most of you, anyone can get nervous. It's not about being serious. Business is not about being serious. Business is about enjoying what you do. Businessmen, हम नौकरी छोड़ के business करते हैं, क्यों? So that I can live on my own terms and conditions. सब पता है ना? पहला reason यही होता है. वो जो ये ग्रुप बैठा है ना कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में, ये यही सोचता होता है यार अपना कुछ करूँ ना तो ये 9 to 6 के चक्कर से बाहर आ जाऊँ. लेकिन जब 9 to 6 से बाहर आते हैं ना तो ये होता है. ऐसे फेसेस हो जाते हैं जैसे किसी को काम और नहीं करता. Please, one urge that I have for you today, and this is my first talk in Bhopal, so I have the right to ask you this. Please be happy in what you do. And don't make it conditional. Even if you don't like what I'm saying, be happy in yourself. टाइम तो लगा ही दिया है, 2 घंटे तो बैठना ही है, तो खुश बैठो ना यार. Right? Thank you for the smiles. Thank you for the love. These are my coordinates.